It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 21st of September. I'm Michael Groff. The autumnal equinox comes tomorrow, but we'll feel anything like autumn around here with temperatures going above average and conditions remaining very dry around here for at least the next 7 days. Let's get out there and talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, 98 degrees the high after a morning low of 73. And outside right now, here at this unfathomably and ridiculously early hour of 2:40 a.m., we've got clear skies in the valley, and it's 81 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. The dew points crept back up to 70, relative humidity 70%, winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, 74. The cool spots in parts of North Scottsdale up toward Carefree, Cave Creek, and in the East Valley. But most of us upper 70s and low 80s. Water vapor satellite view, very dry air aloft. When you step outside this morning, it's not going to feel very dry, but that surface moisture will be mixing out just like it did yesterday, and we will dry out substantially later. The watch warning map still have some flash flood watches, parts of Oklahoma, Texas, and Arkansas, wind advisories in sections of Michigan, and freeze warnings over there in parts of Colorado and Wyoming. Convective outlook for today, an enhanced risk of severe storms from around Cleveland up toward Buffalo, Rochester, and Syracuse, New York, with the broader severe weather risk from extreme southern Illinois, western Kentucky, all the way up through parts of New England. And rainfall for the next 7 days around here, nothing in the valley, maybe a little bit in parts of southeast Arizona. Some moisture could sneak in there sometime middle and latter portions of next week. But overall, conditions should remain dry, and we'll get into the details of that now as we explore the models. Here we go to the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Flat ridge here across the southwest, a westerly flow aloft and down at the surface. That humidity that we have around here this morning, that mixes out this afternoon. Once again, we turn sunny and dry. Highs today, upper 90s to about 102. Tonight with clear skies, drier air, lows, low 70s to low 80s. Tomorrow, sunny and downright hot. Highs 101 to 104. Sunday, a little shortwave trough will pass through the northern and central Rockies. That'll help to flatten out the ridge a little bit. Temperatures retreat maybe a degree or two. Highs 99 to 102. Then on Monday, same thing, 99 to 102, mostly sunny skies. Tuesday, we'll warm it up a degree or so. Highs 100 to 103. Same thing on Wednesday. And Thursday, this run of the GFS looks pretty dry for us here across the southwest. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Friday, the 28th of September. Got a ridge around here with a cutoff low pinned underneath that, but that's not going to have any meaningful impact on our weather. Temperatures look to remain slightly above average, upper 90s to about 102. And let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday, the 30th of September. Similar pattern in play. Deep low off the west coast, strong ridging here over the southwest. Warm and dry conditions will prevail, temperatures above average. And just for the heck of it, just because it's Friday, let's do this. Let's go way out into imagination land, way out into the future. This is Thursday, the 4th of October, coming off the GFS. It's got a hurricane moving up the west coast of Mexico, up the Baja. And if this were to verify, and I will tell you there's an incredibly high likelihood that it does not, but if it were by chance, this would bring increasing rain, plenty of moisture into the southwest, strong winds, obviously into northwest Mexico. That's a deep system out there. And going out even further, this is 360 hours into the future, Friday, the 5th of October, and the GFS brings this system into southeast California and western Arizona as a tropical storm. And if by chance this happens to come to fruition, we would see gusty winds, some very heavy rain, and maybe some strong storms as well. Just something to think about, something to look at. We look for trends way out here beyond 240 hours. There's no skill in forecasting this far out. Let's go ahead and check the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. It looks like high temps will remain above average for the foreseeable future. Obviously, if we get into some tropical moisture out here, we could see significantly cooler weather, but that remains to be seen. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.